Welcome everyone to our fraction series. We are starting with the primary school aspect of it. Today we'll be treating a BODMAS in fractions. BODMAS is the basic arithmetic rule for combining addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The order of selection is broken down as B is for bracket first, O is for off next, D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, S is for subtraction, which is the last one. The following example will show the way. Let's take our first example. Simplify 1 over 2 times 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 24. The options are given. Solution. Changing from division to multiplication, we have our given problem, which is 1 over 2 times 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 24 will be equals to 1 over 2 times 1 over 8 times 24 over 1. What happened here? In the BODMAS series, BODMAS rule, division is the one that came in here first. We have division before we talk of multiplication. So a number that the sign of division is standing before is 1 over 24. So to work with division, we change it to multiplication. Hence, we inverted 1 over 24 to 24 over 1. And once that has been achieved, we now have all as multiplication. Some terms we cancel out. The result will be 1 over 2 times 1 over 1 times 3 over 1. What happened there? 8 we cancel out with 24. 8 divide 24, it give you 3. 8 divide 8 give you 1. And multiplying the numerator and the denominator out, our result will become 3 over 2, which is the same as 1 whole number, 1 over 2. Another example. Simplify 1 over 2 times 1 whole number, 2 over 3, plus 1 whole number, 1 over 2, minus 3 over 4. The options are given. Solution. First, we change mixed numbers to improper fraction. That was our given problem, which is 1 over 2 times 1 whole number, 2 over 3, plus 1 whole number, 1 over 2, minus 3 over 4 will be equals to 1 over 2 times 5 over 3 plus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 4. What happened here? The second number, mixed number there, which is 1 over 2 over 3, use 3 to multiply the 1, then plus 2, that gives us 5 over 3. Then in the third case, 2 times 1 plus 1, that gives us 3 over 2 there. Applying BODMAS, in this case, multiplication comes first. The two items that are multiplying each other there is 1 over 2 times 5 over 3. And when that multiplication is done, nothing will cancel out. So we have 5 over 6 plus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 4. Applying the LCM of the denominators, 2, 4, and 6, that is 12. We now have at our denominator, the LCM, which is 12. Then in the first case, 6 divided 12 is 2. So you have 2 times 5, the 5 that is at the numerator, plus in the second case, 2 divided 12 gives 6. 6 times the 3 that is there. Then in the last case, you have 4 divided 12 will give you 3. 3 times 3. Hence, the result at the numerator there. Now, when we do our multiplication, we now have these values. 2 times 5 will give us 10. 6 times 3 will give us 18. And 3 times 3 will give us 9. With the appropriate sign showing there. All over 12. Next, we can now do our addition and subtraction, and that will give us 19 over 12. That is the same as 1 whole number, 7 over 12. Another example. Simplify 1 whole number, 1 over 2 of 1 over 4 plus 5 whole number, 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 4. The options are given. Solution. First, we change mixed numbers to improper fraction. Thus, our given problem will be equals to 3 over 2 of 1 over 4 plus 11 over 2 divided by 3 over 4. What happened there? The mixed numbers there are the first one whole number 1 over 2, and it transformed to 3 over 2. We used to multiply the 1 there plus the 1 at the top. That gives us 3 over 2. And the 5 whole number, which is second to the last mixed number there, 5 whole number 1 over 2, we used to multiply 5 plus 1, will give us 11 over the 2 there. Next, applying both mass of first. In this case, what it means is that if you follow the rule of both mass, as far as after bracket B, off is next. So we must treat off. And that is, in this case, so we should know that off is the same thing as multiplication. And what that means is that 3 over 2 times 1 over 4. And nothing will cancel out, so we have 3 over 8 plus 11 over 2 divided by 3 over 4. Next, division. That is, we change division to multiplication. And that will give us 3 over 8 plus 11 over 2 times 4 over 3. When changing from division to multiplication, you must invert the number there. The numerator becomes the denominator. Some terms in the multiplication first, we are not dealing with addition. Multiplications, some terms will cancel out. So 2 at the denominator will cancel out with 4 at the numerator. And the result will become 3 over 8 plus 11 over 1 times 2 over 3. Next, we can now multiply out two last fractional terms, and that will give us 22 over 3. 2 will multiply 11, 22 divided by 3. So we have 3 over 8 plus 22 over 3. We can now go to use the use of LCM of the denominators 8 and 3, which is 24. And that will give us, in our denominator, we have 24. And we have at the top 3. 8 divided 24 will give you 3. So 3 times 3. 3 that is there before, plus 22 times 3 going to 20, divide 24 will give you 8. So multiply the 22 times 8. And that will give us 9 plus 176 divided by 24. The result is the same as 185 divided by 24. And that is 7 whole numbers, 17 over 24. Another example. Simplify, bracket open, 3 whole number 2 over 3 times 1 whole number 3 over 4, bracket close, divided by, bracket open, 1 over 2 times 1 whole number 3 over 4, bracket close. The options are given. Solution. By Bodmer's rule, bracket first. So we solve each of the brackets differently. Now our given problem becomes equals to, we are changing from mixed numbers to improper fraction. So we have 11 over 3 times 7 over 4. In the first bracket, divided by 1 over 2 times 7 over 4. Then in the first bracket, they will multiply out as 77 over 12. Divided by, in the next bracket, it will be 7 over 8. Since no term cancelled out, that is why we have that. We just multiply numerator times denominator. That's the numerator, each term at the numerator, and each term at the denominator. Next, we change division to multiplication. And we have that 77 over 12 times 8 over 7. Instead of 7 over 8, when we are changing from division to multiplication now, it inverts. Sometimes we cancel out, and our result will be 11 over 3 times 2 over 1. That will be the same as 22 over 3, which is the same as 7 whole number 1 over 3. Another example. Calculate, bracket open, 3 whole number 1 over 2 plus 4 whole number 1 over 2, the bracket close, divided by 1 over 2. The options are given. Solution. First, we change the mixed numbers to improper fraction. Our given problem will become, in the bracket we have 7 over 2 plus 9 over 2, bracket close, divided by 1 over 2. What happened if the first mixed number there, 3 whole number 1 over 2, 2 times 3 plus 1 gives you 7 over 2. Then plus 2 times 4 plus 1, which is 9 over 2 there. By Bodmer's rule, bracket first. So we perform the operation within the bracket first. And that operation within the bracket is, the LCM there is 2, and we have at the numerator 7 plus 9, because both numbers at the denominator there are 2, so you just add the numbers at the top. Because 2 going to 2 is 1. 1 times 7 remains 7. 2 going to divide 2 is 1. 1 times 9 remains 1. So divided by 1 over 2. Next, we do our addition properly in the bracket, and that will give us 16 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. Don't rush to cancel out. First of all, change division to multiplication, because that's the next item on the BODMAS rule. And that will give us 16 over 2 times 2 over 1. Sometimes we cancel out and the result is 16. Another example. Find the value of 36 plus, bracket open, 1 over 4 times 12, bracket close, minus 1 over 9 plus 1. The options are given. Solution. By BODMAS rule, bracket first. That's to say, our given problem, we should work on the bracket item first, which will give us 1/4 of 12 is the same thing as 3. 4, that's 4, we cancel out with 12, divide 12 and give you 3. So our result, that is why we have 36 plus 3. The whole bracket item will reduce to 3. Then minus 1 over 9 plus 1. Next, we now have addition and subtraction. Next is addition from BODMAS rule. So we do the addition, and remember, in the addition, even though 36 there is no symbol in front of it, it is carrying addition sign, which is silent. So take note of that. So we have 36 plus 3, then which is 39 plus the 1, which gives us 40 minus 1 over 9. And that will give us a simple fractional operation. 9 times 40 give us 360 minus 1 divided by 9, which is equals to 359 divided by 9. And that is equals to 39 whole number 8 over 9. Another example. Find the value of 1 whole number 1 over 3, of 4 whole number 1 over 2, and divide the result by 2 whole number 1 over 4. The options are given. Solution. In this question, we are directed on what to do. First step, we are to find 1 whole number 1 over 3 of 4 whole number 1 over 2, which is equals to 4 over 3 times 9 over 2. We transform mixed number to improper fraction. And our result will be, sometimes we cancel out. We have 2 over 1 times 3 over 1, which is equals to 6. Next step, we are told to divide the result by 2 whole number 1 over 4, which is 6 divided by 2 whole number 1 over 4. And that will give us equals to 6 is the same thing as 6 over 1 divided by 9 over 4. We've transformed the mixed number to improper fraction. 4 times 2 plus 1 is 9 over the 4 there. Next, we change from division to multiplication, and that will give us 6 over 1 times 4 over 9. That will give us 2 over 1 times 4 over 3, and that is the same as 8 over 3, which is the same as 2 whole number 2 over 3. Next, we take some word problems under fraction. Our first example, a man spent 3 over 7 of his salary on food and 1 over 2 of the remainder on rent. What fraction of his money is left? The options are given. Solution. Let the salary be 1, that is whole. Then a man spent 3 over 7 of his salary on food means 1 minus 3 over 7, which is the same as 4 over 7. Then we now have half of the remainder on rent means 1 over 2 of 4 over 7, which is the same as 2 over 7. Because you are doing multiplication there. So 2 will cancel out with 4, and you have 2 over 7. What fraction of his money is left means 1 minus 3 over 7 minus 2 over 7. The LCM here of the denominators is 7. 1 is the same thing as 1 over 1. So 1 divides 7 will give you 7. 7 times 1 will give you that 7. So 7 minus, in the second case, is 3. The other case, you just put 2, since they are all 7. Then that will give us simply 2 over 7. That's our result. Another example. I spent 1/4 of my money in one shop and another 2/8 in another shop. What fraction was left? The options are given. Solution. Let the money be 1. This problem is direct. So we just say 1 minus 1/4 minus 2/8, which will be equals to our LCM of the denominator 4 and 8. LCM is 8. So in the first case, 1 divide 8 is 8. 8 times 1, you just get 8 there. Minus, then you have 4 divide 8 is 2. 2 times 1 give you 2 there. In the last case, 8 divide 8 is 1. 1 times 2 give you 2. Hence, the result at the numerator. And when we do the subtraction, we'll be left with 4/8, which is the same as 1/2. We've come to the end of the examples under this subheading. Next, we have some exercises at on page 41 of the hidden fact in First School Living Certificate Primary School Mathematics. Please try your hands on the exercises. The answers are given at the answer section of the book, either the hard copy or the soft copy. Thank you.